need a top-notch team to win this one.
Ooh! Pick me! Pick me! Please!
Round 1, go! I'm Luna Snow. I'm overdue for a little good karma. Seconds before you attack. Get ready. Wow, you look tough.
You look like you belong in high school. What are you?
A famous singer.
I don't listen to music. I punish criminals.
Well, we are in the right place for that. Let's go. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bro, looky here. These machines will medicine. Stop me some spider bots.
That one hurts.
Mucho mejor.
Thanks so much. It's okay. Admit it. You need me.
Unwholesome, but delicious. Is that all you need? Good medicine.
Thanks so much.
Hostiles.
The Widow's Giant is leaving.
I'm hit pretty bad.
You're halfway there. Keep going. You needed a timeout.
It isn't your time strength and compassion.
My biggest fans!
Frank, remember. Old
Do I throw like a girl? Shields up! A nice deep freeze.
This is real firepower!
Leave it up.
That hit the spot.
Be your best self. Double KO! Someone needs a snowball in the face. Anyone willing to help? Do I throw like a girl?
I'm doing this my way. I am strengthened for battle.
Roll up!
This feels empty.
Only 60 seconds left. I'm hurt.
Endless fury. Even better than my tonic.
I'm back in the fight. Down to 30 seconds. We have to break through now. Snowball fight. I am ready to put on a show.
This is real firepower!
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference. I'm Luna Snow. Like the moon, I shine in darkness.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Round 2! Ready, go!
There's a cold snap coming.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
You got out of the astral plane.
I did, but I'm not entirely certain what I got to.
There's a lot of that going around. Two can sort it out.
Dudes, and they'll have to sort each other first.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bogies, here they come. Forwards.
I don't think I could handle the pressure of the Dark Force.
I am strengthened for battle. Battlefield ready again.
Still, I'm trying to help.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger. A little help, please.
Frank, remember. Old soldiers.
Lights out. Got a shield, Tim.
Good medicine.
Glad to help.
I'm good.
I've got your back.
My time to shine. It's much better.
Tanny needs help.
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Every little bit helps.
Who am I? Invisible? Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
Lights out.
Don't drown in the darkness. By the hoary hosts of hope. Good medicine.
My time to shine.
Shields up.
I spy some bad guys. Every little bit helps.
Us against the world!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Help them through the shadows.
I'll get you next time. It's much better. Who am I? Invisible?
You stop them in their tracks. Well, you can't expect to win them all. The right heroes could make all the difference. Round one, go! We are Cloak and Dagger. We are... Get ready. There's a cold snap coming. They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I hope you rested up on your honeymoon, Remy. Because now, it's time for business.
Rest? Maybe no. But I sure am feeling relaxed and refreshed.
Then go ahead and deal yourself in, Cajun. The more cards, the better.
Gambit don't need a full hand to win.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
This future sure don't look very friendly, it seems like.
Get ready. Here come the bad guys. Just embrace the light. Help. So cold.
Ooh, wait! That hit the spot. She was not on demon time. Lucky draw.
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
That hit the spot.
Just embrace the light. Just in time. Thanks.
Balance doesn't work.
Us.
I was in trouble.
Just keep going.
Gotta fly.
We need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
That put a spring in my step?
Just in time. Thanks.
Gambit never falls! Just the boost I need.
A burn of light.
Oh,
You are nothing!
Stop them!
Don't let them do this, Dandy.
Us against the world! You owe me one.
One step closer to saving the world. Need some repairs? Fast!
You stopped them in their tracks! Appreciate you.
Behold! Dark child! You owe me one.
Enemies on approach.
Behold the god of thunder!
Just embrace the light.
That put a spring in my step.
Just embrace the light. Us against the world! Hold still.
Better stop that vehicle! There's still a chance to stop them!
Keep going.
Found me someone to fight.
Marine! No!
Enemies help.
That put a spring in
I'll
my
get you
step.
next time.
Now might be a good time to stop them.
Mucho mejor. Pulse charge! Fire!
Face oblivion!
Everybody's full of light.
My time is now.
Lights out. Oranges.
My time to shine.
Got eyes on one of them.
You are nothing! Us against the world!
Lights out.
Please, we're hurt.
Now you do the same with me, we.
The light always comes back.
Better stop that vehicle! It's now or never! Stop them! I appreciate you.
Glad to help.
I'm under
Us against the world! Just embrace the light. Glad to help.
I don't think that's the welcoming committee. Another one down.
Woo! You go, girl.
Time to cut our losses.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
You stop them in their tracks!
Enemies help.
Behold! Dark child! Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Behold the god of thunder! There is never full!
Only 60 seconds left.
Pulse charge! Just the boost I need.
Suffer in the darkness.
My guard's down. Say, hits real high. My guard's down.
Don't
current score is 0-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Round 2, go!
Get ready. There's a cold snap coming.
Coming at ya! 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You guys are the coolest! I always thought so. Now let's kick some butt, shall we? You're pretty cool yourself. Being able to understand animals. I wish I could do that.
Yeah, all you have to do is listen. They really hate Doom.
Does anybody like Doom? He's such an egomaniac.
The battle starts in
Probably
5,
patronizes himself.
4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
There's always a spark of light in darkness.
That's what I needed.
What the hell, feeling?
Embrace the light!
That perked me up.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Good thing I was here.
Glad to help. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Come get that vehicle to its destination.
Well, look who's up.
Tammy needs help.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger. Glad to help.
That's what I needed.
Guys over here, this is well.
Just embrace the light.
Now you do the same for me, please.
Us against the world.
David never falls!
Just embrace the light. Get Spider Zero where she needs to go.
Stand down!
Those body bad guys. There they are.
Again!
You're only one.
Lights out. Fire!
My time to shine. Just embrace the light. Take it. You want nothing. Us against the world. You owe me one.
That's the boost I need.
I just happen to be with you. 150 colors. Good. That's all. That was good.
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Behold! Exile!
I'm further here!
go. Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Light it up.
Glad to help.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
I'll get you next time.
Hit the spot.
Hey, hitting real hard.
Well, that's better.
Us against the world!
Gambit never falls!
Pulse charge. Fire.
Maximum punch!
That's 3! Get that vehicle moving again!
Oh, I got you feeling. Us against the world!
Maximum pulse!
Everybody needs a hand somewhere. That's high.
Never forget.
So close!
It's nap time.
This is your big chance!
You owe me one. Hold still. I'm trying to help. Let me up.
Behold the god of thunder!
What's a stretch?
Behold the god of thunder!
Everybody needs a hand. My time to shine. I'm hurting for certain.
Just to boost that heat. We're running out of time here.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Hey, hitting real hard. That put a spring in my step.
Only 60 seconds left!
My time to shine.
Maximum pulse!
Lights out. Gonna pay for this shit. What's a stretch? Lightning confinement.
I wasn't sure we'd get this chance again.
There's a bad decision. Come back to life.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Pulse charge.
Gambit never falls!
Us against the world!
Nowhere yet! Going to overtime!
Lights out.
The current score is 3-2-3. top-notch team to win this one. We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Round 3, go!
Get ready. There's a cold snap coming.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready. Hey, Tony. Are we gonna fix all this?
Well, you bet we are, Doreen.
If I ever see Doom again, I'm gonna...
Crack him like a walnut? I know you will.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
That first spring in my step?
Alright, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Just the boost I need.
Just embrace the light.
I appreciate you.
Down to 30 seconds. Just embrace the light. A foam of life. The final 10 seconds.
Lights out.
A foam of life.
No winner yet. Going to overtime. That's 3. The current score is 3, 2, 3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
The right heroes could make all the difference. We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Round 4,
There's a
go!
cold snap coming.
Propulsion beam! Perfect angle!
Alright, Ty. Now we really
We'll be
have to
coming in
attack.
30 seconds. Stay strong.
Good to see you back, Summers. I'm starting to think you was lost to us forever.
Our people have always had a knack for making dramatic returns, Remy. Even before Krakoa.
You can say that again. Can't count how many times an X-Man has come back from the grave.
We've been lucky.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area. Only 60 seconds left.
My power grows!
It's my time to shine.
We are too few.
Final score, 3, 2, 4. Well, you can't expect to win them all.